I'd like to guide you just through a quick exercise. So you should have a marker or pen available. And I want you to be thinking about what you want to get out of this session. Now, I think this is a really important exercise because whenever we're getting ready to learn, we have to be able to set our intentions and know what we want. And so first, I'd like you to write down one or more questions that you can ask that will meet your expectation out of this session. And I'm getting a question in the chat if I have two screens running. No? Hopefully people can see this. And then the second thing, I would just want a quick reminder that if you have a question, you may unmute yourself or type it in the chat when it's timely and relevant. And again, this is an activity that you can do in your own meetings. I just like to be able to set the stage and to let people know that your question is going to get answered, but the best way as a good citizen is to ask timely, relevant questions so you don't take the speakers off of their agenda, but also know that in this session, you'll have an opportunity to ask questions. We'll definitely answer them, and a great practice to do is to put 3 question marks before you ask your question. So I've done that in the chat. You'll see that. 3 question marks and then ask your question. And that's a wonderful visual cue for us presenters to be able to look at the chat quickly and be able to tell the difference between people making comments or folks talking to each other and between questions.